Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, gagawa ako nung tinag sa akin ni Ate Bem. Yung channel niya is Bem's Vlog in Holland. Tama ba? Yeah. So first question is, where did you grow up? Lumaki ako sa Tubod, Lanao del Norte. That is in Mindanao. Laki akong Bisaya. Where did you currently live? I'm currently residing in Bavaria, Germany. Who is your first best friend? Syempre, first best friend ko is yung lolo at lola ko. Sila yung best friend, sila yung guardian, sila yung everything. What theme parks have you been to? Hindi ko na lubos maalala. I think hindi pa ako nakapunta ng mga theme park. Dogs or cats? I love dogs more than cats. Number 6, funniest moment throughout high school. I think first year ako nun. First year. Nung high school day. During that day, yung room namin, ginawa siyang horror cave or something like that. Yung room namin or yung classroom namin. Tapos, yung mga multo doon is yung taga 4th year that time. And then, matatakotin talaga ako guys. As in, promise, matatakotin ako. Matatakotin ako guys, pero gustong-gusto kong pumasok sa mga ganyan. Paborito kong manood ng horror movie, yung mga ganun-ganun. Tapos, pumasok kami doon. Tapos, nasampal ko yung anak ng principal. Kasi siya yung nagmumulto-multuhan doon. Tapos, yung flashlight sa mukha niya. Tapos, sinampal ko talaga siya, guys. Kasi nagulat ako. Tapos, nung paglabas namin, may time pa nun nagkatulakan kasi kami noon. Tapos, nadapa yung nadapa yung classmate ko. Tapos, I think yung pinsan ko ang nakatambak sa kanya. Tapos ang liit niyang tao. Hi, Rika! Next question is, how many countries have you traveled to? Nakapunta na ako sa Singapore for 2 days. Naglanding sa Oman, sa Dubai, dito sa Germany. First vacation ko in Europe was in Italy for like 5 days. That was Easter vacation with my mother-in-law and stepfather-in-law. And then next was in Amsterdam. We stayed there for like a week. We went to Hungary. We went to Austria for like 4 times. If you haven't watched my Austria vlogs, I will link it to you in the description box. I hope you will watch it. And then, before kasi I'm not vlogging that time when I was in Budapest or Hungary and Milan and Amsterdam. That's why. Next is, what do you do in your free time? Mostly, I'm in front of my phone or the laptop, watching videos, most of the time watching videos or vlogs, then spending time with my husband. Next, what is your favorite drink? Mango shake. That's my favorite drink, as in. Then, what is one thing you wished people knew about you? I wish that they knew na makulit akong tao, madadal akong tao, and a good advisor. You're wearing perfume. What scent it is? I like those summery or spring thing, like this one. I'm currently using this one. I got this from Ate Heidi. And gusto ko yung mga fruity scent. Ang bango niya. Yung mga fruity scent or sweet scent, gustong gusto ko siya. And this is from Bath and Body Works. So yeah. Next, tea or coffee? Tea, because I'm not drinking coffee. What are your life goals? At this point, yung goal ko is not only for me but for my family as well. Like, yung priority ko talaga is matapos yung bahay na pinapagawa ko para sa papa ko, and at the same time, makapabahay ako sa lolo't lola ko. What sports do you play or have you played? I have played soccer. I've played badminton. I played pool or billiard. And my favorite, I played also bowling here in Germany. And also table tennis. And we also have table tennis upstairs in our room. 15. What social media are you addicted to? I'm addicted to Instagram and Facebook. Number 16. What is your favorite movie? Oh, my favorite movie is really Twilight. Until now, kinikilig pa rin ako sa kanilang dalawa. As in, kahit na paulit-ulit yung movie, gustong-gusto ko pa rin siya. Yun yung Twilight. Hindi ko gusto yung ibang part. And then next, who are your favorite YouTubers? This time, my favorite is yung tinatawag na Fumission base that is from Fumiya. And sobrang nakakaaliw yung videos niya, as in. And then si Chinky Tita. And yung mga vlogs ni My Loves TV. Yun. Next, do you speak any language and how well? I speak our mother tongue. Yung Tagalog ko is average. And then, my English is also average. I could say that. And then my German. My German is... I considered it as average as well. Next, are you single or taken? Obviously, I'm taken. I'm married already for almost 3 years. And we are together for like almost 6 years. What is your idea of your dream date? Siguro sa isang private yate na kayong dalawa lang talaga ng asawa mo magde-date, and romantic, like may roses sa sahig, candlelight dinner date. Ano ba? Ganon. So, how long was your longest relationship? My longest relationship is, except for the present, is like my ex, like 2 years? I don't remember anymore. What is the biggest struggle you overcome? I was like applying for my visa and it was denied. What is your go-to hairstyle? Ano lang, bagsak yung hair. Like, hindi siya nakaganto. Sundan, really untied hair. Something like that. Or, yeah. Yan yung always kong ginagamit. Have you ever failed at anything? And what did you learn from it? I consider my apprenticeship, because I stopped my apprenticeship contract, and I've learned na hindi siya basta-basta. Lalong-lalo na pag hindi mo lingwahe. Because I thought kaya ko siya. As in, makakaya naman siya kung marami kang time. Like, if you don't need to work or to go to work, because Ausbildung or apprenticeship here in Germany, you need to go to work as well. It's like working student. The difference is you need to go to work for 3 times a week and then to school 2 times a week. Natutunan ko is follow your heart. What makes you happy, follow it. Life is too short, so make the most time of it. Hindi ko kaya na pahirapan ko yung sarili ko kasi ako lang din naman yung kawawa pag pinupush ko pa siya na gawin mo to, gawin mo yan. And then, what is your go-to fast food order? Hot Wings. Here in Germany is Hot Wings. And tinatawag nilang Whopper. Also, Whopper? Basta yung burger sa Burger King. What is the craziest thing you have done? Naalala ko yung yung bata pa kami. Ah, my goodness, nakakahiya. Nakakahiya siya, guys. Kaya wag na lang. Mga bata pa kasi kami noon eh. Your most memorable vacation memory? Yung nag-vacation kami sa Pinas. Yung kinasal kami sa Pinas. That was my memorable na vacation ever. Yung bongga talaga, masasabi ko talaga, para sa akin, bongga talaga yung kasal namin, my goodness. Yung mga importanteng tao nandoon. And kung gusto niyo siyang makita, ililink ko kayo sa description box yung wedding namin sa Pilipinas. As in, yun yung pinaka-memorable na vacation ko. Next, what are your morning and evening routines? Morning is gumigising ako ng 6:20 para ipagtimpla ng kape yung asawa ko. Ihanda yung tubig niya para sa trabaho niya. Sa evening naman, sa couch na lang kami ng asawa ko. Siya, kung hindi siya maglalaro ng computer at ako ay mag-i-edit ng video, kami. Nasa couch lang kami nanonood ng TV. Kung hindi, nanonood siya ng animations niya and nanonood ako ng Filipino series ko. Yung ganun. Do you have any bad habits? Oo, I do have my bad habits. Like yung ganun ba? Oh, papakita ko sa... Pag kasi umuupo ako, lagi akong gumaganon or like ganyan or like ganyan. Lagi akong ewan ko kung bakit. Lagi akong nagaganyan. Next is, tell us one thing about you that we wouldn't know. Hindi ko alam kung considered siya. Materialistic akong tao. At yung asawa ko is practical. So, di ba bagay na bagay? So, yun lang. Thank you nga pala sa pagtawag nito, Ate Bem. I hope you like this video. Nakakahiya man siya, pero I will do it for you. So next, I would love to tag this video to Ate Elfie. Hey Elfie yung channel niya. So kung mapapanood mo to, please do this video as well. And then si Sharon's Sweta ba to sis? Yes. And Servus Rayan. I hope you guys will do this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like if you did. Leave a comment down below. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. And see you guys on my next one. Vielen Dank. Ciao!